This video introduces how to use AI design to create an AP placement plan for a site on Lysora Cloud. Are you still struggling with AP selection and placement when designing a wireless network for a hotel or office? You can use AI Design on Lysora Cloud to quickly design an AP placement plan and generate a bill of materials, BOM. You only need to upload a floor plan and enter relevant information. Then, AI Design on Lysora Cloud can intelligently plan the network, output the matching BOM, and visualize the Wi-Fi heat map. Log into Lysora Cloud and choose AI Design. Then BOM. Then AI Heat Map. Set BOM name and scenario. And click OK. Click the settings icon to set BOM unit, heat map color and simulation area. Click Upload Floor Plan, select a floor plan, and click Open to upload it. Name the floor. Read and agree to the privacy policy. And click OK. 1. Adjust the dimensions. If the floor plan you upload contains a scale, AI will automatically identify the floor plan dimensions. Make sure that the identified lines and lengths are correct. If the identified length is inaccurate, you can manually set the scale bars. If the floor plan does not contain a scale, draw a reference line and specify its actual length. 2. Draw the wall. After the scale is set, the system automatically identifies walls. You can adjust the walls based on the actual situation. Left-click a wall, and then click Replace Walls to select the actual wall material, which helps calculate the wireless signal attenuation. Click Remove a section of wall to split a wall. For example, you can left-click to split the wall at the door frame and right-click to exit. Then, you can configure the wall material as needed. Click Delete to delete unnecessary walls. If a wall is not identified by the system, you can choose Add Wall. Then draw walls and select the type of wall you want to draw. Left-click to draw a wall on the floor plan. After it is completed, right-click to exit edit mode. 3. Add a floor. If you need to deploy a wireless plan on another floor, click the plus icon to add a floor. Upload a floor plan and set the floor name. Then, adjust the scale and walls using the previously described methods. 4. Set the floor information. Click the Set icon to configure floor information. Click the drop-down list here to switch between floors. The system supports two methods of generating AP placement plans. Method 1, place APs manually. Method 2, place APs with AI assistance. Method 1, place APs manually. Click Place Devices manually. Select required APs from the product library and drag them to the floor plan. The system automatically displays the Wi-Fi heat map. Method 2, place APs with AI assistance. If you are unfamiliar with APs and lack AP placement experience, use AI-assisted AP placement. Click AI-assisted AP placement. Select the project scenario. The system automatically identifies wireless coverage areas. Areas enclosed with black lines do not require Wi-Fi coverage. Select an area and click the settings icon to set the maximum number of clients that can access the wireless network and other information. Select AP models. Click Start AP Placement. The system automatically adjusts the AP placement to ensure the maximum coverage of strong signals. If the AP placement plan is confirmed, click Apply. After the APs are deployed, you can switch between 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and 6 GHz frequency bands to view the signal coverage and received signal strength indicators. Click Cabling to view the cable connections. Set an ELV tunnel. Draw a cable tray or duct. Select a cable connection mode and cable type. Click Start Cabling. Repeat the preceding steps to complete the AP placement and cabling plans for each floor. Click Topology to view the network topology. Click Indoor System Diagram to view devices and accessories deployed on each floor in the topology. Click Indoor 3D System Diagram to view devices and accessories deployed on each floor in the topology. Click Device List to view each device's PO budget and number of ports. Set the unit price of an AP to generate the overall cost in a BOM. You can also click View by Position to check the price for a specific space. Click Export to generate a BOM. The BOM includes the product list, topology, indoor heat map configuration, BOM highlights, and company information. To follow this issue, comment on our video or send an email to us. See you in the next video.